Okay, in this video, I'm going to be buying $1,000 worth of Google. And finally, Google is trading less than $100. So I'm going to log into my Robinhood account here. I'm going to click on Google and I'm going to click trade at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to click buy. I already have it at the top right in dollars. So I'll just put $1,000 here and then I'll hit review and then I will swipe up and I'm going to purchase my first shares of Google, finally under $100. So you see there's $1,000 here, which allowed me to get 10.72 shares. And that is basically it. My average cost, $93.23. And I'm done.